I took the PositivePsychology.com life navigation course, and it has been one of the most useful and educational trainings that I've ever had the pleasure of taking.
I've been using the positive psychology tools, and I can't tell you how much I love them. They have added so much value to my practice and to my clients. I have also been using the life navigation tools, and they're fantastic. I just recently got the box set, and I could not be happier with the quality of the tools.
As a psychologist with over 15 years of experience in the field, it is not very often that I come across a continuing education opportunity that provides a comprehensive framework that is truly applicable to my practice and is a solid investment for not only improving my practice and my business, but also truly enhancing the way I'm able to meet the needs of my clients.
The course itself offered me valuable insight and information how I can better help my clients as a mindset coach. I have already implemented some of the tools used, and I have to say, they have been received by my clients with such enthusiasm.
PositivePsychology.com is already an incredible resource for anyone who wants to implement positive psychology into their practice. But these physical products are really taking them to the next level. You know, from the quick start guide on the sailboat metaphor to client workbooks and conversation starters. It's really everything that you need to be successful as a practitioner.
It's so helpful to have books and materials at my fingertips. So much easier to organize presentations and have prompts for discussions that are accessible. I downloaded copies of the materials from the Life Navigation training online, but I like the convenience of flipping through the books and cards to organize and customize materials.
Something else that is just wonderful is each module, each section has its own little notebook workbook where all the exercises are in there, everything's spelled out. You can go back to it for easy reference for yourself as a coach, and that is very powerful right there.
All of the materials are high quality, and I particularly appreciate the quality and the design of the handbooks.
This program is definitely better than I ever could imagine.
I highly recommend the course. I highly recommend the training, whether you do it online or through the hard copies that they are now getting ready to offer. It's worth it.